Hello everyone, I'm Joel. Welcome to the UTech showroom. Today we're going to show you our Sesame S2 machine in detail. Follow me. First off, let me take you through the S2 machine that we have at the center of our showroom, just to showcase to you what the machine comprises of, and you can see in person how it is made. Our Sesame S2 is crafted with a robust 200 by 300 millimeter welded steel frame, which is designed to reduce vibrations and provide solid stability even during high-speed operations. Our 150 by 200 millimeter gantry adds strength without compromising movement. At the heart of its operation is the intuitive swing doorway control system, which makes uploading your files effortless and gives you real-time control over the machine's operation. Other systems include DSP, MACD, and NK105 that we can offer you as well. This is our control cabinet, which is usually situated at the bottom of the machine. The control cabinet houses the machine's inverter, stepper, hybrid, or servo drivers, which are neatly packed to reserve your workshop space and maximize portability. The spindle is available in sizes ranging from 2.2 kilowatts to 9 kilowatts. Delivers the power needed for precision cutting, carving, and engraving on various materials. You can choose between trusted brands such as HSD or HQD, depending on your performance needs. We have equipped the machine with premium linear guides such as Taiwan Hewen guide rails, which are situated over here. They can be offered in different sizes, and conveniently at the bottom over here we have equipped the machine with premium helical rack and pinion systems, which guarantee smooth and accurate movement along all three axes. And on the sides over here is where our motor systems are situated. So on both sides of the machine is where we'd find our motors. And if you can come with me over here to the spindle cover, this is where our ball screw drives are situated. So over here is where the spindle would be fixed and can be used for the operation of the machine. One of its most practical features is its detachable legs, which allow for compact packaging, which in turn reduces the shipping volume and shipping costs, making it a smart solution for international deliveries. We've also included forklift-friendly base slots, which allow for loading and offloading in an easy and safer manner, which also prevents accidental damages during handling and increases the machine's load-bearing durability. Finally, the Sesame S2 offers a dual table system, either a vacuum table or a T-slot clamping system. The vacuum table features a zone section which adjusts airflow according to material size and placement. This helps you to hold down your materials throughout the job. This is either powered by an air-cooled or a water-cooled vacuum pump, depending on your actual configurations. If you're interested in this S2, please contact our team. We will come up with a customized solution in different sizes, depending on your actual needs. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Joel, and see you next time.